Design is boring. Everything is a system of a system of a system to optimize the cost, to optimize production times, and everything ends up looking exactly the same. If you're a fridge technician, you might get away with using a boring material design functional app for your work. But everything consumer facing is seriously missing the delight. This is why I'm starting a new series in which I'm gonna show you products that go that one step further and provide their users with true delight. We'll explore all those delightful experiences together, and at the end of the year, the best one, and you're gonna help me pick that, is gonna get a nice trophy. Today, I'm starting with the Sleepiest App by Cuberto. Let's dive in. Most of the micro interactions have this nice bouncy effect that gives you feedback for your action, but also, as you can see, the icons themselves move a little too. That's a nice extra touch. Subtle parallax effects can work great for galleries like this one. When you scroll, there are 2 or 3 layers of background in each little card that scroll independently. That gives you that awesome impression of extra movement that makes it more natural. It's a very little thing, but it works. And no, it's not difficult to code. This is how you do it. First, you're gonna need a background, a character, and some text. Then animate it in a way where the background moves the slowest and the layer on top moves the fastest. And simply mask it within a window and you're done. Here is the effect using just 3 rectangles. Simple animated particle effects in the header add to the atmosphere of the app and work quite well as you scroll with the extra bouncy effect too. Having beautiful little animations in the tabs make them a lot more fun to switch between. And see how they return to the original state when you switch to the next one. This is some extra delight added to the main navigation and works just great. Notice how the icons inside the circular buttons get animated as you interact with them. They also have this satisfying bouncy effect to them. It just looks beautiful and feels great to use. Sure, some of these things will be pretty difficult to code, but there's this weird notion of designers being afraid of developers, like boo-hoo, it's gonna be difficult for them to code this animation, who cares, they chose to be a developer. If that animation makes sense to delight the users, then it's necessary to actually do it. It doesn't matter if it's gonna be more difficult or a little bit more costly. If it gets the experience right and if it gets that love from the users, they'll become your true ambassadors. And developers shouldn't really be afraid of complex problems. They should be excited by them. So if you see a developer running away from something crazy or original or different, maybe they're not really a good developer. Maybe, just maybe, they picked the wrong line of work. Either way, with more delight added to more products, we're gonna surely have a beautiful day.